What's up guys? In today's video we're going to do an oil change on the S2000. Bought the car about a month or two ago. I haven't really been driving it, but I know it needs an oil change. We're going to be using an OEM filter from Honda right here, and I chose to use Valvoline 10W30. Gonna test it out. I heard Mobil 1 burns a lot of oil on the AP1s, and you know, my friends that are S2000 owners recommended Valvoline as a great alternative as well, so we're gonna try it out. Car doesn't really get beat on, doesn't get tracked, doesn't get driven every single day, so it's like a weekend car to me, so it doesn't really matter. I just want to get the oil change done. Alright, next thing I do is get this car in the air, at least for the front part of the car. So I'm gonna jack up this side and the other side and put a jack stand underneath it, just so the car is tilted back a little bit. You could put a piece of wood in the back rear wheels, or just put the e-brake up, should be fine, as well as the car in a gear of your choice. Alright, time to locate the drain, and it's right here. Ooh, very black oil. We're gonna let that drain out, and then I'm gonna go to the top and loosen the oil filter. I guess you could get it from here, but I'm gonna see if I can try to get it from the top. The oil filter is right here on the passenger side. This is what was inside, so we're gonna replace this with an OEM Honda filter. Here it is, OEM. My hands are a little oily, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on the O-ring so it doesn't pinch when we go ahead and put it back in. We're gonna be using an OEM Honda gasket for the drain plug, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off and put it on right now. I should invest in a magnetic plug. I think it'll be well worth the investment. It's still coming out a little bit, so I'm gonna let it drain. Alright, that's it. So it takes about 4.8 quarts. I'm gonna go ahead and just pour in most of this. Pretty good. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. There's tons of videos and also tons of posts on the forums on how to do an oil change. Very easy, but that's not it. The reason why I'm doing this oil change is because you know my VTEC isn't engaging. On the next video, we're going to be installing the Kraken Automotive VTEC solenoid gaskets, so stay tuned for that, and hopefully this solves my problem. Again, if you like this video, please subscribe. There's a lot more content like this on the channel. If you personally like this video in general and love how clean this AP1 is, this Grand Prix White AP1 is, please hit the like button and leave a comment. I was using 10W30 because the car has high mileage. It has 120,000 miles on the car, so I figured from 530 from factory using a 10W30 would be okay for the long run. Next, we're going to go ahead and crack open this VTEC solenoid and replace these two gaskets right here. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned. Peace.